Check front and rear Pitstop wheel quick releases. On each Pitstop wheel, open the Pitstop lock and check each cam individually for correct adjustment. When open, there should be a maximum of 10mm free play measured at the tip of the cam lever. The quick release should feel tight to close after you pass the engagement point, and the force to fully close must be even across all cam levers. After checking all cam levers, be sure to close your Pitstop lock. This is an example of a cam lever which has more than 10mm of free play, is too loose and not safe to ride. To correct this, remove the rubber grommet and with the cam lever open, use your 4mm hex key to adjust the quick release free play. If you adjust any quick release cam lever, you will need to check and adjust if necessary all other quick release cam levers. After all quick release cam levers have been checked for correct adjustment, you can replace the black rubber grommet. Finally, rotate the Pitstop lock to the close position.